So I think Cannes is a great representation of what we're all seeing in television, convergence. There's a lot of trends, media inflation, fragmentation, how do you find audiences? Everybody recognizes that TV is changing. And from my perspective, across media's strategy and vision is, how do we actually build a company and a suite of companies to provide multiple different levels of services to our advertisers and agency clients? So Cross Media is comprised of three entities: Cadent, TCA, and One-to-One. Cadent is what we'd consider one of the largest aggregators of TV inventory, unsold TV inventory, and it's an efficiency solution. So we work with most major agencies and brands, and we provide efficient GRPs to complement network direct sales. So in that instance, we are leveraging scale and technology to bring broad-based awareness solutions to television. TCA is about creative optimization. In a world where we're all looking for ROI, how does the right creative drive the right response? And the third piece, which is our newest one, One-to-One Media, which is run by Mike Maloney and Jamie Power, is addressable television. And that's the future of television. That is, how do you leverage data and targeting to deliver addressable TV results? And in combined, I think, there is no one solution for every advertiser, but from my perspective, if you're looking for efficiency, premium content, that's Cadent. If you're looking for addressability, targeting, ROI, that's One-to-One. Underneath both companies is a suite of technology that we provide across all of our portfolio companies, but to our clients, about how do you actually bring the right audience to the right customer. We have a technology solution, that's technology stack, that we provide to people like Charter, Liberty Global. We're in Cannes, so this makes tons of sense. And we're basically building and delivering technology solutions for them to offer addressable TV. Whether it's video on demand, live linear, OTT, it's an ad technology stack that actually allows Liberty Global's partners and clients, their customers, to deliver targeted advertising.
So is that a software that's in the box, or?
No, it's a SaaS-based service. It's in the cloud, but it's leveraged. I think our technology touches over 65 million homes globally. So it's it delivers. It's in the cloud. It's like it's a SaaS-based product. One-to-One is one of the largest ad companies focused on addressable, and I think we will see nearly 50 to 100% growth year over year in addressable television, because the solution works. And I think that's the key, is that if you're using data to deliver the right ad to the right person, irrespective of whether it's linear or VOD, that's what advertisers and agencies need and want. That is the convergence of digital and television. So we actually are very bullish on the addressable marketplace, and I think we will see it grow, as I was saying, 50 to 100% year over year.
So Nick, does that addressable marketplace mean the 2 minutes that the cable operators have, or addressable via skinny bundles, or what does addressable mean?
Today it's the 2 minutes. It's the local 2 minutes from the pay TV our pay TV partners, which include AT&T, Comcast, and others. It is that 2 minutes, but I do see a movement towards national for addressable, whether that's in 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years. The truth is, the infrastructure and the industry, in my view, isn't ready for true national addressable at scale. And what we're doing today is, how do you actually put the building blocks in place so you can have an addressable, scalable solution for national advertising and for national inventory owners, but it could be 1 year, 2 years, 3 years away. A lot of what we're doing from a Cadent and One-to-One perspective is really just collaborating, bring to market integrated solutions for our clients. Whether you're looking for efficient GRPs or addressable advertising, the truth is you need both. So we have clients, in pharma as a great example, that use Cadent to provide that efficient GRP solution. Those same clients are using One-to-One to deliver targeted ads or targeted commercials specifically to their high incidence clients. And I think that's what I would foresee in the future, and I think it's an exciting time to be in television.